My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Shiba. What's the current price of the Shiba? What's the price changes occurring in the Shiba? And in this video, I'm talking about the very important, urgent update of the Shiba. So please keep watching this video till the end, friends. And if you are new to my channel, so I request everyone to please subscribe now, every Tech channel, for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Anyways, if you look the current price of the Shiba, so as you know that the price of the Shiba is going down from the previous last 1 week. As you know, let me show you, friends, the price chart. For more details, you can see here. If you look the current price of the Shiba, so 0.0008 USD dollar is the currently price of the Shiba. Absolutely, the price is very badly fast down from the previous last 1 week. As you can see here, if you look the changes occur in the Shiba, so you can see here from the last 1 week, the last 1 day, and the last 1 week, the whole changes occur in the Shiba is going down day by day, hour by hour. What's the reason behind it? Why the price of the Shiba is going down, friends? Let's see, my friends, the price chart and what's going in this time in the Shiba. Oh my goodness, as you can see here, they start jump for a little time, but again they fall down. You can see here at this time they try to move upward, but unfortunately after a little time they again fall down. And now at this time, if you look the currently condition live in the market, so I think gradually they start moving down, friends. So now it is time, two possibilities: today take a jump or falls down, friends. But a lot of chances today take a jump, friends, because as you can see here, there is the common procedure, that is the common phenomena of the cryptocurrencies market, that after a falls there is a jump occur. So my friends, as you can see here, this time also falls occur in the Shiba. So now it's time to take a jump, friends. After a falls there is a jump, so now it is time falls down occur, and after this falls there is a jump, friends. So anyways, if you look the price changes occur in the last 1 day in the 24 hours, so negative 18.86% price changes occur in the Shiba, and 0.0001 USD dollar is the highest price of the Shiba in the last 24-hour, friends. So anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this interesting video.